గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ప్రియా మ్యాథ్ ఛానల్. మనకి 10th క్లాస్ మారినటువంటి సిలబస్ ప్రకారంగా మార్క్స్ డబుల్ అయినవి. ఆ మార్క్స్ ప్రకారంగా మనం చేద్దాం. నవ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ ద క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో 3 టైప్స్లో రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఒకటి ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్, 2 స్క్వేర్ రూట్ మెథడ్, థర్డ్ వన్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్. So now we are going to take some more examples and I will explain on the board. All of you look into the board. First one, factorization method. This is the quadratic equation. You have to observe first. Like this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So quadratic equations means single variable first step and the power is 2 second step. So a is not equal to 0, that is the third condition. So these are the satisfied. So this is the quadratic equation. Factorization method లో మనం రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. దీంట్లో ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్లో షార్ట్ కట్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్ వేరు, ఫార్ములా దాన్ని వివరణగా చేసే ప్రాసెస్ వేరు. మనకి ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్లో 1 మార్క్కి ఇచ్చి 2 మార్క్స్ అన్న 2 మార్క్స్ 4 మార్క్స్ 4 మార్క్స్ 8 మార్క్స్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి ఇందులో మనం ముందుగా ఇది 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అనుకుని ఇమేజ్ చేద్దాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీంట్లో చేసినప్పుడు ఏ ఇంటూ సి మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఇంటూ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 ఇంటూ -2 దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -12. ఈ -12 వచ్చిన తర్వాత దీన్ని 4 ఇంటూ 3గా రాసుకుంటాం. Product of these values goes to -12. So you put -4 into 3 -12 satisfy. So sum of these two values are equal to the sum of the roots. -4x plus 3x will goes to -x. So action continuation satisfy. So you have to write this equation 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 are equal to 0. Then here and here 2x common తీయండి. 2x remain 2x 3x minus 2 plus 1 common తీస్తే 3x minus 2 are equal to 0. 3x minus 2 both are the common, remaining 2x here plus 1 are equal to 0. Okay students, next 3x minus 2 are equal to 0. 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. This is the first rule. Second one, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1 by 2. So this is the one rule. This is the factorization method. For the 2 marks or 1 mark we have to do like this. It is the, for example, you want to learn the shortcut method. Shortcut method means you know this type and then you have to understand the shortcut method. In the shortcut method means I have to explain here. Look into the board all of you. First one you have to take the 6 into -2. 6 into -2. Then you have to write 3 into 2 into -2. 3 into again -4 -4 and 3. Then you have to do like this, and again last step you have to divide with 6, this one by 6 by 6. 3 will be cancelled 2 times, so it becomes 1 by 2. Here 2 will be cancelled 3 times, in the numerator 2 times, that is equal to -2 by 3. Then finally you have to take the symbols will be changed, signs will be changed. So this is alpha is equal to -1 by 2 and beta is equal to -2 by 3 or 2 by 3. This is the short way. Within the 14 seconds or 15 seconds you will get the directly answer. Okay, this is the factorization method. Look into the board. This is the finished factorization method. Second method, method of completing square. Completing square method లో మనం చేస్తున్నాం. All of you see carefully. బాగా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి సమ్ ఇది. So first this is the given equation. 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Students, when you are going to do the square method, we have to, which is the x square coefficient value, you divide with the so whole equation. మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ ని అందబెట్టి డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. బిఫోర్ వన్ స్టెప్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ హియర్. యూ హ్యావ్ కీప్ హియర్ 5x square minus 6x. You have to take the minus 2 right side becomes plus 2. Then I said divide with what is the x square coefficient 5. So divide with 5 on both sides. Right here divide with 5 on BS means both sides. So 5x square by 5 minus 6 by 5 x is equal to 2 by 5. So 5 cancel, here x square minus 6 by 5 x is equal to 2 by 5. Students, here then we have to go to what is the x coefficient we have to take. It is 2b. 2b is equal to 6 by 5. b is equal to 6 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled 3 times. So b is equal to 3 by 5 and b square is equal to 3 by 5 whole square. So then you have to add this value on both sides. So I will write here add 3 by 5 whole square on both sides. This will become x square minus 6 by 5x plus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 3 by, sorry, what is here? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square. Then it becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. So for example, x, what is there? Minus. If suppose plus is there, you write plus. Minus is there, minus. X minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 square means 9 by 5 square means 25. So x minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to, so 25 is the LCM. 5 will be cancelled 5 times, 5 2s are 10 plus 9. So again that is equal to 19 by 25. So x minus 3 by 5 is equal to root of 19 by 25. That is equal to root 19 by 5 plus or minus. So x minus, I am writing here x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus or minus root 19 by 5. Take one time x is equal to, sorry, x is equal to minus 3 by 5 will get here plus 3 by 5 plus or minus square root of 19 by 5. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 19 by 5. So this is the two values. X is equal to 3 plus root 19 by 5 one value and x is equal to 3 minus root 19 by 5 one value. Okay. Okay student, these are the two values of the by squaring method. Listen to me. Another one, I will explain the third mode also. Okay students, third model 6x square minus x minus 2 formula method. Formula method means already you know what is the formula. This is the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Already you did factorization of this formula, this problem. Now we have to solve with the help of the formula. You know formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square under root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Before you have to take the a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 2. Then you have to substitute these values in this equation. Minus of minus 1 plus or minus square root of b means minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a ante 6, c means minus 2 whole by 2 into 6. So minus of minus plus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square plus minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are minus 1 whole square plus 1, minus into minus plus 848 by 12, that is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 49 by 12, that is equal to 1 plus or minus 49 means 7 by 12. Take one time plus and another time is the minus. 1 minus 1 plus 7 by 12. This means 8 by 12. 4 will cancel 2 times, this is the 3 times. So x is equal to 2 by 3. Another one, that is equal to 1 minus 7 by 12. That is equal to minus 6 by 12. 6 will cancel 2 times, minus 1 by 2. So, the three methods already explained. Square method 8 marks ఇవ్వడానికి, తర్వాత ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్ 4 మార్క్స్కి, నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములా మెథడ్ 2 మార్క్స్కి ఇవ్వడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మారిన మోడల్ ప్రకారంగా ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ వన్. So students, we had to practice. It is very important problems, very important chapter. Objective type I already discussed, and these methods are in used 8 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks. Okay student, practice yourself. Problems ni మీరు కంప్లీట్గా వీడియో చూడండి, కంప్లీట్గా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. ఇంతవరకు మా ఈ ప్రియా మ్యాథ్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న వారికి అందరికీ ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదములు. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ 10వ తరగతి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మొత్తం వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కూడా మీకు వస్తాయి. అవన్నీ మీకు ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంటాయి. దయచేసి అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.